Ladies and gentlemen, we are starting this video at night. I'm in a new car. Hold on, I gotta get this lighting better. I have an E90 M3 if you guys don't know, but I just bought an E92 6-speed manual. This was kind of like really spontaneous. I traded this car for my F10 M5. Last owner of it, super cool dude, but he did do some, I think they're distasteful modifications, like I don't really like this. This car's tuned on E85. I was driving it home from my shop today and I forgot about that. I almost put 93 in it and I had to drive to 3 other E85 stations and I almost ran out of gas. Oh, it's not that loud. That's not. But dude, I'm telling you, when we get driving, it's f***ing retarded. I hate how the camera's not focusing. Me and Shane are going to the gym right now. This video is gonna be like a multiple day video. Dude, it's so loud. Here, brother, you wanna pick up the camera, brother? Oh, of course. Oh, brother. Dude, this thing's so loud. This thing, guys, this thing is straight piped. The car itself is a solid car, but I just got to do some stuff to make it my own because I can't, like, I don't know if it's gonna come up on camera, but it is retardedly loud.
S65 though.
I think I'm gonna try to get a valved muffler for this thing because it sounds so good right now. Like right now there's like barely anybody on the road except for that guy. I just can't drive this car with other people around because I feel so ignorant.
Meanwhile,
I just blew up the diff.
Now we're just taking a little peek here what this could possibly be.
Brother.
That would appear to be a fucking diff. Diff on the ground. He got a diff on the ground. What's that fucking, what's the Phineas and Ferb song where it's like pants on the ground?
Pants on the ground, pants on the ground. Acting like a fool when you got a diff on the ground.
Looking like a fool with your pants on the ground.
Even though it's sitting here, it does still look fantastic.
Does it look good though?
It looks fantastic.
Well, I guess that happens. My mom's coming to pick us up and then we're taking Shane's M4 to the gym. However, we aren't gonna launch it.
No, not happening. It's gonna happen.
The mount's just fucking... Dude, the dude that owned this car before me must have launched this thing so much.
Dude, he had it tuned in, obviously.
Oh, brother. We're at Cheats now because M3 blew up. But on the other hand, Shane's M4 looks absolutely gorgeous right now. And he's got the red interior, and it's a 6-speed. Oh yeah, and if you guys don't know, this is Shane.
Let's go.
Everyone go follow him. He's gonna be on the channel a lot more. We're gonna go to the gym now. I will see you guys in the next couple days when I get this differential thing figured out. So I'll see you later.
the next day.
So we're loading the thing up on the tow truck, but I'm filming this on my phone, but unfortunate. Yeah, there you guys can see where it broke off. Damn. Guys, there's a lot of stuff I gotta fill you in. I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible. So, as you guys know, my E92 M3, the diff just exploded. I put it up on the rack at work. Fortunately for me, the diff itself isn't bad. The only thing I need is the rear cover. I'll throw a picture of what it looks like. The rear cover is cracked. And then the CV joint, like going into the actual diff from the drive shaft itself, is all blown apart, and that's what's actually making the car like not move. I have those parts on the way right now, actually coming from Germany, OEM BMW parts, and then we're gonna do upgraded diff mounts. I really wanna race right now. Like I really wanna get a vintage race car. I kinda just traded my M5 for that M3 just because I was getting bored of the M5, and I can honestly sell manually 92 M3 faster than I can sell an M5. I mean, the car's sick. I just don't know if I wanna keep it, guys. Let me know know if you want me to keep it for a bit longer, put the Recaros, because I'm selling the E90. Let me know if you guys want to see like the Recaros out of the E90 in that, and like me like make it a nice car, because like it's a nice car, it's pretty decent, the rod bearings have been done, like all that stuff, it's been maintained well, but just the last owner drove it pretty hard, which it's what those cars are for. But real quick, I want to give an update on the E30. Now, if you guys don't know, this is my beautiful, absolutely beautiful S54 swapped E30. Guys, look at this thing. Oh, baby. Whole build series on this thing. Please go watch that. I'll put it right here. But what we are doing, we are taking everything off. We're stripping all the bumpers off, fenders off, all the trim off, windows out, all that stuff. We are completely stripping this car. It is going to get repainted in preparation for World of Wheels. It's a car show downtown in the convention center in Pittsburgh. I want to win that this year, and I think I have a really good possibility with this car. And real quick, I've been getting so many DMs of, yo, when's the E30 gonna be going on the dyno? Unfortunately, the guy that I know that has a dyno, his dyno broke. So I'm waiting for an update on him. This car will be going on the dyno before we tear it apart and paint it. So words cannot describe how much I love this car. I went to a car show today with my friends and I actually filmed some of it. I mainly just filmed like the drive and stuff like that. So throw that in after I close it out. So if you guys are true OGs and you want to watch that, go watch it because it's sick. As I always say, guys, dream so big it's scary. Peace out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ladies and gentlemen, due to a series of unfortunate events, I'm sure if you guys are already this far into the video, you guys know what those unfortunate events are. Unfortunate, I don't know how to talk. I am in the E90. Oh, but first off, oh, look at those new kicks, dog. I'm getting in the E90 because I'm going down to Shane's house, actually. Shane's been in the videos and the vlogs and the stuff a lot. As you guys know, diff blew up in the E92. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing with that car. I don't know why I have two of them. I don't know. I just made the trade just because I was getting bored of the M5. We're gonna get going to Shane's. I've been rambling on. I don't know how much I'm gonna cut out of this. I will see you guys at Shane's. We gotta wash some of his cars. Then we're gonna rip down there. God, I love this car. Oh, look at Shane's M4. Guys, we're in Shane's like apartment, or not apartment, his dad's office garage thing. If you guys don't know, I'm sitting in a badass massage chair right now, but dude, look at this thing. It's got speakers in it. This video is, instead of gonna be the diff blowing up, it's gonna be my review of the Human Touch. Hey, pause? Oh wait, hold on. Here's brother Shane. Here's brother Shane. Oh, brother. Got it. Dude, brother's bringing me an extension cord. Brother, plug me in. Plug me in, brother. Oh my God. Hold on. Oh, we're on, baby. The heat is getting turned on. Let's go. Let's go medium on our back. Oh, brother. Dude, look at that. It's like getting my shoulders in there. And getting, oh, dude, this thing is squeezing me.
Meanwhile,
It's calling. Dude, we got a fucking lineup right now. M3, look at this guy, look at this guy, look at this guy. Guys, we're hopping in Colin's R8. I didn't drive my M3 to this.
Because he's gay.
Because it's 45 minutes away and I'm super gay and I don't, like, dude, I like that you have the heat blasting,
You want your Johnny on?
Oh, turn my fucking Johnny on.
You're gonna have a sweaty
Dude, I was just in Shane's, you know that massaging chair in Shane's garage thing?
Yes.
Dude, I was just in that for like, literally a half an hour. Heat on, full body massage. So guys, we got F82, F87, E90 M3, boy in his R gated,
R gay.
and then Aiden in his F80. So we're gonna drive super slow today, super casual. Here we are, guys. What is this, the Stadium PNC Park? Bobby, if you're watching this, this is your home. This is your home to all my videos. He's my biggest fan.
Robert, how
Yes,
you doing?
Robert. Oh, look at Aiden, brother. Look at him, brother. Dude, just a bunch of brothers today. We're using this like app, this like windy road app. It's supposed to take you on like fun roads that are supposed to be good. Right now, we're on like this like back alley. This terrible, terrible road. This hill.
Don't get me stuck on this fucking hill.
Look at this hill. Dude, I'm actually really glad I didn't drive because the reel that I'm about to make is gonna be so sick. His butthole is puckered. Dude, how puckered is your butthole
Buy me a new one. I get a Gator V10 call today. I don't care.
He's like, I'm getting a V10 today, baby.
Brother.
I'm getting a V10.
Dude, this tarmac is so slick. Like, oh, new kicks. New kicks. Woo. New kicks, brother. Woo! Sheesh. Yeah, we're done with that. Sheesh. All right, guys, this is my new friend Enzo.
What's up?
He was sliding this M3 almost into Colin's R8, but luckily nothing happened.
Very lucky.
But he has a manual E90, so I guess this E90 is all of my E90 and E92s combined, because it's an E90 and a manual. But we're cruising in it.
And
Beautiful car. Beautiful car.
Thank you. We have to stop because of the bozos behind us.
Dude, this wheel is sick.
Yeah, the flat bottom leather.
I might have to steal that off of you. Dude, I love these cars. I love these cars.
It's insane.
If you guys have never driven one of these cars, guys, I've had five. Yeah, I've had 5 of these cars, and I can't get enough of them because every time I sell one, I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna buy another one. He had an F80 before.
Yeah, 2016 F80.
2016 F80, and he sold
Soulless.
it. Yep, he sold it because it's soulless. Get that.
Yeah.
But now he's got a manual E90, and it's beautiful. Love this interior. Love this.
Just did the leather recall.
Oh, slick top, baby.
Yes.
Woo! Beautiful.
One of 88.
Wanna be you and me. Wanna be everything you ever dreamed. Wanna be you and me. Wanna be